Go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. So, okay, this is Samyan. Here's the name right here. Samyan Mitrtown. It's near Chula University, and I think it's all brand new. It feels really brand new. They got all these restaurants in here, lots of shopping. This is the ground floor, and there's like all the amazing stuff that I can see in other shopping malls in Bangkok. It's all here too. Beefmaster, Dairy Queen, lots of Japanese places. So we're just gonna walk through this mall a little bit and show you what's here. It's in this particular area. It's Chula Lakorn. I don't know how to pronounce that or say it, but it's like the biggest university in Bangkok, and it's right in this middle. It's right near here as well. So I think it's December 20th right now. So it might be, I don't know if they have classes right now, but I definitely see a lot of students around. This one says beer. Huh. Okay. So you can kind of get a feel for it. I'm gonna try to catch the elevator. This one right here. So there's actually quite a few floors, so we'll go up there in a minute. Okay, so we've got like 5 or 6 stories here. Basement, food court. We're just gonna walk around a little bit and see. Free parking, okay. So here we go. This is, oh, there's a Taco Bell over there, so we're gonna walk around a little bit. Opening December 2019. Okay, it's a new store. I thought maybe the whole place did. Christmas. Okay. So we're just gonna, yeah, yesterday there was a big commotion here. Some musicians, some young pop Thai musicians, so the students were very excited, especially the young girls. They all had their cameras and screaming and yelling, so it was quite an event yesterday. I got a little bit of it on film, but I was trying to get somewhere else, so I didn't have time to fully capture the event, but I captured some slices of it. And that was out here. Oh, okay, now I see the setup. Yeah, actually this is inside and this is actually outside. Yesterday I was out here, and this is where there was the celebrity, Thai celebrity, and then when I just walked right outside, I was like, oh, how did that happen? That this whole thing can be outside like that. Let's see, robots today. There's a lot of technology. These robots. So we also have a drone. So let's kind of go outside and see what else is around. Chamchuri Square. Yeah, actually yesterday was also almost nighttime too, so now it's the middle of the day. So there we go. We'll just pause it. We'll just end this one right here.